So I'm heading out to the trails, returning a friend's chainsaw. That's either a trespasser or my friend, so let's catch it. Alright, place your bet. Trespasser or friend? Well, I'm like a darn forest ranger around here because I've been searching for him all the time just to get a call saying, oh, we're at the tree. And I'm like, where's the tree in the back? And he's like, no. And then he proceeds to describe the tree in the back. So here I go. I'm taking the shortcut. So my friend on the golf cart had to leave because he had plans, but I was still out with my other friend, so I decided to drag Dusty. That's what you see right now. Now, Dusty is a piece of chain link fence that we drag behind the four-wheeler or the golf cart on the trails to smooth them out, clear any ruts, all that stuff.
Florida clouds rolling in.
Show off. So the property that the trails are on is 47 acres, and there are 3 miles of trails, and we drove Dusty just about on all of them. So there was one more small task to do there. It was out in the field where way back in October in the hurricane, some tree branches came out of the big oak trees and landed in the field, but we never did anything about it until yesterday, so we had to move them both out. We tried to move them both, but the other one was like 2,000 pounds, so we only dealt with one. Look at these ants. That's what happens when there's any sort of wood in the state of Florida. So after what you just saw, we rode around some and had fun. And then we heard some thunder, so I decided to escort him out. Go through here again.
I see that.
All right, bye. Did you stall it?
Yeah.
You're out of gas?
Just clean the carburetor too. It's a Honda for you.
Well, that was a good ride. Bumpy in here. Look, there's somebody out here. What a ride.